Show me you suck! My nigga, hey, call with it, wild.
Dodge Jeep Ram of Cape Coral.
Wait a minute.
Disappeared from the dealership under the cover of night.
Flexing on my Cartier, TVs on my binoculars. Just picture nigga rolling in a striker, you not as hot as us. Just pop the Percocet, your milligrams just not as high as us. Mix the Mason with the vintage chrome, you just don't get as fly as us. Got a lot of shooters, tell your shooters put something on the board.
What? What the fuck?
Alright, what's up YouTube? SRT Trey here, man. Big 1K, the biggest 1K. Back with another video. I know this is unusual of me, but all my videos from my intro from KC did get corrupted, so but got a lot of bangers coming, got a lot of surprises coming for y'all, and I'm gonna let y'all know in the future videos. Just let me know what y'all want to see from me in the videos and stuff like that. And I got y'all, man, much more fun content, interesting content coming soon for y'all, man. Make sure y'all drop a like, comment, and subscribe. And we out, man. Peace.
Come on, man. Yo, Tim.
I don't give a fuck.
Yo, Tim. Damn, bro, we need some more paws out there, G.
Man, fuck it. Now it's dry.
Now it's dry. I just noticed that too.
If I do what they want to do, that does.
With no bullshit. I had my window down. Somebody tagged my goofy ass.
Somebody take the fucking both of all three of us. The whole car. The whole car.
What the next cars coming up?
That's so beyond. Let me get this nigga little slide out here.
Too wet.
Too wet. Hey, hey, why we coming up here like this? Hey, KC a little different, ain't it?
KC a little different, man. St. Louis it now.
St. Louis be doing now.
St. Louis it now.
Bro, they don't throw the water. We'll pop. We'll turn this bitch up.
Now it's dry. You see this drying up, bro?
Somebody said something. They said they called it.
That's it. What is it? That shit ass, bro. That shit hella wet. That shit was ass.
Oh, they got it wet?
They was throwing hella water balloons, so all tires was locking up. Next spot you gonna see. This the first part. Casey be playing that.
Yeah, they don't.
Be crazy. Yeah, these motherfuckers be crazy. They tell me something I not like that.
Listen. Excuses. No excuses. All right.
Give me a motherfucker from KC with a charger to get out here and his wheels are locked up.
No. I ain't coming out here right now. I ain't coming out here right now.
You do it.
Hey, hold on. I want to see What happened to y'all nigga Will when he was spinning?
Who? What are you talking about?
Y'all St. Louis cats, two that was out here. What happened to him?
Nigga, it was wet.
They locked up.
Did you not see the wheels locking up? Show me you suck.
My nigga. Ain't it called Wet n Wild? Ain't this shit called Wet n Wild? Am I tripping? You got that water? What you got though?
SRT.
You bring it out here? Yeah. Oh, you know we're locked up?
So no.
Oh, that's why I'm pressed.
Somebody talk to King. Somebody talk to King. Somebody talk to King.
All right, look. You know what? Look. No, I got you.
You get out here.
You get out here.
You get out here.
You can't talk.
You get out here.
You can't talk if you can't talk on some dry ground. We gonna see you on some dry ground and see what's up. We gonna see you on some dry ground and see what's up.
You get out here.
We gonna see you on some dry ground and see what's up. I'm not even like that. I'm not gonna fake it.
Got him! Got him!
I thought something was dragging.
Send me. You about to make a location list or no?
Nah, this shit hard. It's stopped. It's stopped.
Huh?
Stop.
You saw upper?
It's stopped.
Nah, it got innovators west, upper, and lower pulley. It got long field headers and short.
God damn.
They got red eye.
What, 900?
850 will.
850. Is that 1,000?
I would.
To the crank?
Not anytime soon.
Oh, okay. So what's that to the crank? Like 950?
Around there, yeah. Alright, just let me know on the next floor.
Come here. Brrr, bomb, fully automatic, switch on the back, you know what? That's when I pop that though, you know what it was when I rolled that.
See so good. Hey, that fucking tunnel looked amazing. Water
They got
lights.
hella tunnels. That was the best one though. They got hella little shit. That bitch shit, this shit, they go down. Or
Come on. Probably is a kid. Thank you.
that's so ignorant.
Hey, you tell me that hoe. Don't worry, but I trust him. He ain't gonna fucking hit you. I trust him.
bro. Come on now, dog. Come on, man.
He got a gun holster too, cuz. I'm with 12. Went outside for 12. You got it? Hold up. Let me hold your bag.
12 says fuck 12.
I like it, boy.
Oh my God, man. What you get arrested for?
Jeffrey.
Come on now, dog.
We ain't gon' get mad, we just gon' dare niggas. Chop around the sides of whopping deep, but they on